This March marks 3 years since the coronavirus pandemic began, causing chaos all around the country and, of course, here in New York State. Estimated 1 million people in the U.S. have since died from the virus.
Nearly 62,000 of those deaths happened in New York State. A new bill being introduced at the Capitol seeking to help kids who lost their parents to COVID. News 10 ABC's Juliana Bruno has the details.
Due to the lockdown and quarantine.
Veronica Fletcher came up to Albany from New York City to tell the story of how losing her husband of 16 years, Joseph, to COVID-19 continues to impact her children, including her son who graduated high school early.
Despite this major demonstration of academic aptitude and emotional resilience, without my husband alive, Josh could not afford to attend the university of his choice.
Assemblyman Angelo Santabarbara pointing to research that more than 310,000 children in the U.S. under 18 have lost a parent or caregiver to COVID-19, and explains how a policy known as baby bonds bills could give hope for their futures.
It will assist children with continuing higher education, academic needs, and a number of other items that are specified in the bill. This will be the first bill like this here in New York State.
Assemblyman Santabarbara is introducing that legislation today, and he's calling for co-sponsors for the bill. He feels that this is something his fellow legislators will stand behind. The bill has the support of groups like COVID Survivors for Change, which offers mental health resources for those impacted by the illness, as well as COVIDWellnessClinic.com, which provides long COVID care guidance for people who still experience symptoms long after the infectious period. That website was created by COVID long hauler Maya McNulty. News 10 has been following her journey to walk and talk again since 2020.
You know, the day I thought I wasn't going to be able to walk again, I asked God to take my life. And boy, I rescinded that statement.
Today, she stands behind the COVID-19 scholarships bill while continuing her fight to help people get care for their long COVID symptoms after leaving the hospital.
I have found that how it takes months to find a doctor because it does affect over 10 different organ systems, and so you need a specialist like a pulmonologist, a cardiologist, an oncologist.
More of McNulty's story and the resources her organization provides can be found on news10.com. Reporting at the Capitol, Juliana Bruno, News 10 ABC.